Discover how Magix makes it easy to work with 3D models. This video shows simple tools that help you view and refine your designs effortlessly. Magix provides several tools to adjust the view of components without changing their position in the coordinate system. The mouse buttons are assigned specific functions to make it easy to control the view. Middle mouse button, move the part around the screen. Mouse wheel, scroll the wheel towards you to zoom out, make the part smaller, and scroll away from you to zoom in, make the part larger. Right mouse button, rotate the part. If your cursor is inside the rotation circle, the part can rotate in all directions. If the cursor is outside the circle, the rotation is limited to 2D. You can also achieve specific views by using the cube or selecting a view from a list. With the cube, clicking on a surface changes the view to that side, and clicking on a triangle rotates the view by 90 degrees. To look inside the part, you can use the multiple section function. This lets you use predefined planes for each axis or create your own planes. When you activate an axis, the corresponding plane appears in the part. You can hide areas up to the axis using the clipping feature and adjust the position of the plane with a slider. Additionally, Magix provides visualization options to customize how the part looks on screen. You can choose the triangle mesh display type or enable a transparent mode for your part. All of these tools make it easier to prepare your parts efficiently for 3D printing in Magix.